Lemon can be used in all seasons. It shares its properties with the changing seasons and protects against seasonal disorders. In this video, we are going to unleash the health benefits of lemon, and in the last part, we will discuss how to use lemon for beautiful skin, hair health, and nail. Lemon has the following benefits. By squeezing a lemon in a glass of boiling water and drinking it, the body starts to feel disciplined. Mental weakness, headache, muscle tremors stop, and even after working hard, one does not feel tired. It should be drunk in small hours without adding salt and sugar. If you want, you can add 2 spoons of honey. By mixing lemon juice and water and drinking it again and again, the patient's digestive problems reduce, and the diseases caused by them are removed. Lemon should not be used in case of kidney stones. Vitamin C. Lemon juice is a treasure of vitamin C to keep you healthy from various diseases. Deficiency of vitamin C leads to diseases like scurvy, bone and joint pain, hemorrhage, dental diseases, pyuria, cough, asthma, etc. Anemia. The use of lemon and tomato juice is beneficial for those who are anemic and the body is getting weaker day by day. For long life. If lemon juice is used regularly, it increases the age by reducing aging process. Its excessive consumption is harmful. Diseases of the digestive system. If your digestive organs do not work, food is not digested. Gas in the stomach causes the heart to feel burdened. The stomach becomes bloated. You do not sleep at night. Food is not digested well. Mix 1 lemon juice in a glass of warm water and drink it. As a result, the organs of the digestive system will be cleansed and you will feel better. In case of indigestion, add salt to a lemon wedge and heat it and suck it. The food will be easily digested. In case of stomach ache, drinking a mixture of 12 grams of lemon juice, 6 grams of ginger juice and 6 grams of honey cures the stomach ache. A lemon wedge filled with black salt, black pepper and cumin seeds, heated and sucked, cures stomach pain and also kills stomach worms. If you don't feel hungry, use lemon and ginger chutney. Green coriander leaves can also be added according to season. In case of lack of hunger, indigestion, and belching, squeeze half a lemon in a glass of water and drink it daily. In case of constipation, drinking 1 lemon juice with a glass of warm water at night will loosen the stool. In case of diarrhea, squeezing lemon in milk and drinking it is beneficial. Mix the juice of 1 lemon in a cup of warm water and drink it 5 times a day to cure diarrhea. If your nails do not grow, squeeze a lemon in hot water and soak your fingers in it for 5 minutes, then immediately put your hands in cold water. It will start growing nails. Lemon removes acidity. Drinking lemon juice in warm water in the evening removes acidity. Take a spoonful of lemon juice in a cup of warm water 3 times an hour. Dr. Albert wrote in his book Fronds for Health that people mistakenly think that lemon juice is acidic. As a result of this mistake, they do not use lemons for acidity, while the potassium found in lemons helps to reduce acidity. Those who have constant headache can extract the juice of lemon leaves and it will cure the headache forever. Drinking lemon juice in cold water is beneficial for heart palpitations and heartburn. Lemon cleans the skin in all skin diseases such as boils, ringworm, itching, etc. Applying lemon juice in water and washing or bathing the affected area is beneficial. Lemon has a special quality to remove the weakness of the heart. Its regular use makes the blood vessels flexible and their hardness is removed, so it is useful to remove the disease of high blood pressure. The heart remains strong and there is no risk of heart failure. For all the problems of blood pressure, Squeeze the juice of 1 lemon in warm water and drink it in the morning. Bleeding. Drinking lemon juice mixed with cold water 3 times a day relieves bleeding from lungs, stomach, kidneys, uterus, and bladder. Arthritis. Regular application of lemon juice on the joints relieves joint pain and swelling. Lemon juice reduces excess acidity in the stomach and intestines, which relieves diseases like joint pain, nerve pain, excessive weakness, etc. Urinary obstruction. In case of blocked urine, grind lemon seeds and keep them in the navel and add cold water. It starts the stopped urine. Rainfall diseases. Stomach diseases, fever, boils are common in rainy season. The use of lemon is useful in these problems. Mix lemon in hot water and drink it daily for at least 95 days. For easy labor. If a pregnant woman from the 4th month of pregnancy drinks lemon juice mixed with sugar and water daily, the delivery will be easy without any pain. Lemon is also very useful for cleansing the blood. Lemon slices should be mixed with warm water and drunk 3 times a day. Asthma patients get relief by drinking lemon juice, 2 spoons of honey and 1 spoon of ginger juice mixed in a cup of warm water every morning. It can also be taken during an asthma attack. For cataracts, take 9 parts bee honey, 1 part ginger juice, 1 part lemon juice, 1 part white onion juice. After mixing all these, put 1 drop in the eye in the morning and evening for several days. It removes the cataract. If you add 12 parts of rose water to it, the brightness of the eyes increases. For hysteria, mix lemon juice, salt, cumin, roasted asafoetida, mint in a cup of warm water. Use this recipe for at least a month and it will help a lot. For enhancing your beauty, mix a cup of curd and juice of 1 lemon. Apply on the scalp, face and hands, etc. and take a bath after 15 minutes. It will increase the beauty. For facial beauty, mix tomato, lemon juice and milk in equal amount and apply on the skin. Wash off after 15 minutes. The face will be beautiful. The skin of the elbows often becomes hard and black. Apply a squeeze of lemon on the elbows. Wash it off after 15 minutes. For blemishes, grind and mix sea foam and lemon juice for facial blemishes. Apply it on the blemishes at night. After a few days, the blemishes will clear. If you can't find sea foam, just rub lemon juice. Dandruff. Mix lemon juice with coconut oil and apply it on the hair roots at night to get rid of dryness or dandruff. Washing the head with lemon juice mixed with water would soften the hair. Cut a lemon and rub it on the scalp and let it dry to get rid of dandruff. Apply lemon juice mixed with milk on the dark spots under the eyes. The dark spots will disappear. For gray hair, mixing dried amla with lemon juice and applying it on gray hair makes hair black. It also cures other hair diseases. To stop hair fall, massaging the scalp with lemon juice before taking a bath will stop hair fall. These were some amazing health benefits of lemon. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and let us know what topic do you want to see the video on. Thank you. Leave a comment below, subscribe, like, and follow for more videos.